Is your external component the libgnustep Base-1.25.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish your desktop software links. To start the walkthrough for libgnustep Base-1.25, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the libgnustep Base-1.25, the GNUstep Base Foundation library, v1.25. It provides unmanaged core logic for non-graphical orchestration, including data persistence and network communication manifests. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Libgnustep Base-1.25 is a key part of the desktop software runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of your desktop software will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered libgnustep Base-1.25 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of libgnustep Base-1.25.dll. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines libgnustep Base-1.25 optimization concepts. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored libgnustep Base-1.25 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.